want to give a special thanks to Zuru Mini Brands for sending this to us as a gift for free. What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my Miniverse. Y'all, I was in the middle of making stuff when delivery! The mail arrived with Zuru Mini Brands Fashion Series 4. Am I about to stop everything I'm doing right now and open this capsule? Yes, I am. For this series, the inner wrapper is purple and there is an ultra rare Create fashion bag. I want to see the scale and the accessories to see if this series is a good size for our 1/6 scale world. Inside, we find a collector's guide and 2 paper bags. There are 85 plus items in this series, with ultra rare, including a pup. Under common, I am seeing 21 bags. Then we have shoes. I counted 18 on this page. Love those. On the back, there's a phone, 2 books, magazines, a camera, a dog and a cat, jewelry, charms, 2 scarves, a beret, some keychains, glasses or sunglasses, makeup, nail polish, perfume, bracelets, a hat, earrings, headband, and those little ankle wallets or ankle bags, more boots, and another bag. So let's get started because my miniature shop is waiting to be stocked. And here we have, yeah! I was trying not to say what I wanted because you know how that goes. But I said it in my head that these were the boots that I wanted. They are an off-white color, feels like they're made out of a faux leather with stitching. They're kind of padded, have a metallic gold heel, but can they fit our dolls? They are split at the top, so let's go ahead and place it on the doll. They are an easy fit on my classic Barbie. She has a little room in them, but not enough room to tuck her pants in. It's a snug fit on a curvy, so take care, and a pretty easy fit on an Integrity Toys doll. In the bag, we also have a tube of lipstick and a perfume bottle. And y'all, we do have a DIY for something similar, using hot glue. And in the other bag, we have the purse, which is kind of cute. It's a salmon color with a working zipper and an adjustable chain. So in one capsule, we got a pair of shoes, a bag, perfume, and lipstick. And everything looked like a good size for our 1/6 scale world. So let's open another one. Cause I am loving the fabric purses and the fabric shoes. And fabric hats. We have a red beret that says Mini. It is made out of fabric and is an easy fit on the doll. We got plastic sneakers with an animal print, real laces. They fit a classic Barbie with a loose fit, but are more secure on a curvy. It looks like this set comes with lip gloss, but I only got one side. But I like the bag. It's a little puffy bag with a chain. It can open and it feels like there is a magnet to help keep it closed. The chain has some length, so the dolls can wear it by the hip or double it up and wear it under the arm. Opening our third capsule, please be the boots. In this bag, we have the same pair of shoes. Okay, so we got a double. And I got a complete lip gloss this time, so I guess that's good. We got a bottle of nail polish. I think that looks pretty good. And it's a nice size for the dolls. And the bag is a black and gold faux leather bag with a zipper. It has a chain for the shoulder strap and says Mini Fashion along the bottom in gold letters. It has a faint black on black print on the front and the back, and compared to the other purses, it's slightly larger. Opening our fourth capsule, let's start with the bag first. And ooh, this is pink. It's the ultra rare hot pink satin bag with flowers on the front and a green handle. It has a rectangular base and is open in the top, with cords on the sides that we can pull to bring it in. I pulled the strings all the way and it is staying closed. And here it is with the doll. Our accessories are a pink plastic case that can open, revealing a pink beauty blender, a tube of something, and I think lip gloss. They are all removable. The lip gloss can open, and it looks like a great size for the dollhouse. We also got a tiny little dog and pink glitter platform shoes. All of these are the ultra rare items. I'm not quite sure how the straps are supposed to go on these shoes, but here they are on a classic Barbie, and the glitter does seem to be sealed on the shoe. They have bows on the front and gold buckles. These shoes are very Barbie core, and they're gonna add a little height to the dolls. They look like a good fit on an Integrity Toys doll, but might be a little too snug on a Curvy. The shelves in our shop are starting to fill up, but we could still use a few more items, so let's open another capsule. Starting with the bag again, we have a blue and white houndstooth bag that says Mini Fashion on the front. It's open at the top and has little silver details. Here it is with the doll for size. The accessories are a pair of silver and black sneakers with black laces, a silver ankle bag, and a brown and white dog. The dog can fit in the bag with one paw out. The shoes are a little loose on a classic Barbie, but they are staying on. However, they do seem to be a better fit on a Curvy. And the ankle bag can fit on the dolls as well. The dolls are getting so spoiled, and I am okay with that. Mini Fashion is definitely one of my favorite collections. Oh, that's something. Because most of the items work so well with our fashion dolls. This purse looks like a little digital creature. It has arms, legs, and a face. There's a magnet on the front. It's pink and blue. And there's another pocket attached to the back that also has a magnet and a little area to store stuff. So that's pretty cool. And the accessories are a pair of pastel sneakers with laces, a headband. I think we've seen this one before in a different color. And we got a pink plastic diary that can open, and there's like a little plastic page inside. The sneakers are loose on a classic Barbie, but they are staying on. The headband is a little tight, but doable. And just like the other shoes, the sneakers seem to fit a Curvy doll best. So far, we've gotten a lot of sneakers. Let's see if we can find those boots. We got red platform heels. They're a pretty decent fit on my Integrity Toys doll, a little snug at the toe, but overall not too bad. They're a little large on a Barbie, but I think we're gonna do it anyway. And this could be a fun shoe for the holidays. We got a gold colored necklace with red painted stones and matching earrings. The earrings can fit a Barbie with factory pierced ears. I do like that the jewelry is a matching set. And here we get a red velvet bag with a gold chain and a mini fashion charm. It looks like it's made out of the same fabric as the hat, so it can totally be a matching set that we can work into our doll's wardrobe. Now we just gotta find one of those scarves. Honestly though, I'll be happy with anything that's not a double, because we haven't gotten a double bag yet. And with that, we got another pair of sneakers. But they're giving us Saved by the Bell vibe, and I'm okay with that because the sneakers do fit the dolls pretty good. I like the fit on a classic Barbie and better on a Curvy. We got another plastic journal that opens. Oh, but this is cute. We got a lock and some keys. They look perfectly doll-sized and definitely seem like something a doll would have in their bag. Here's a turquoise and black bag with an animal print, a gold heart buckle on one side, there's a gold chain, and the bag has a magnet. We can clip the keys onto the bag to get the bag that is featured on the capsule. All right, Mini Toya, I like the keys. In the next capsule, we find a blue purse with hearts and a cream-colored tag that has Mini Fashion on it in gold. And to go with it, we have a little duck keychain or charm that we can attach to the side of the bag. Another little ankle bag, if that's even what they're called. If they're not, let me know in the comments down below. And we got some heels. They are purple, turquoise, and pink. We can open the strap that goes across the front. On a classic Barbie, they are not moving around, but you can see a little space behind the heel. They can fit a Curvy. Oh, but I like the fit best on an Integrity Toys doll. Looks like Alex just got a new pair of shoes. Up next, we have... Ooh, is that a pink bag? Looks like a heart. This one is a pink vinyl or plastic bag that is split at the top. It does have a painted zipper, a leather texture, and a quilt pattern on the front and back. There's a large M on the front, I assume for mini fashion, and then it has a little chain handle. It's a decent size with the dolls, and the accessories are pink and silver floral heels, which are a good fit on a classic Barbie, and snug on an Integrity Toys doll. And for me, this pair is a little small on a curvy. We also got a compact. It has a butterfly on the top, it can open, and it has makeup inside as well as a tiny mirror and a tiny bottle of lavender nail polish. Opening our last capsule for the day, and I say day because there will be more. But I haven't gotten any double bags, and I think I should end on a high note. Ooh, this is a pink metallic bag. It has a mini fashion logo in silver on the top, 2 handles, looking pretty good all the way around. And it does open with a little magnet. That's nice. Kind of loving the shape of this bag. It's got a very classic look, but it's metallic. Let's check out the accessories. We get a pair of sneakers, but they're a pretty good fit on a Barbie, but again, better on a curvy. We got an accessory we can clip to our bag with a little lemon and more little keys. And this time we have like a car key. I don't know why very normal things are just so much fun in miniature, but overall, not bad for our first look at Mini Fashion Series 4. Lots of bags, lots of styles. We do see a few repeat accessories in different colors and sizes. This pink headband is the same design as this green one, but it does look larger. But for the most part, I think these are pretty fun pieces to add to our doll's wardrobe. Okay, one more. I know I said I was done, but I really want to find those boots. I think this is the accessories bag. And we have a double! I knew I should have stopped. I just didn't listen. We got the perfume bottle and the lipstick again, and the salmon colored purse. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Zuru Mini Brands Fashion Series 4. Let us know in the comments if you think this series is a buy or a pass. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram. And we will see you next time. Bye!